Since the inception of Energy to Power Your Future program, we have successfully built 15 photovoltaic installations with a combined capacity of 300 kilowatts. This has contributed to a 50% reduction in energy costs. With this program, we covered 7 countries across 2 continents. For the first time, we expanded outside Europe, doing installation in South Africa. All of these were possible thanks to our esteemed partners: Jinko Solar, Tongwei, Sungrow, Deye, FoxESS and Solax. I'm extremely proud that together with Menlo Electric we can help children care facilities and at the same time we promote green energy among the youngest.